Welcome to the CurioQuest. Today, we're taking a spectacular journey to outer space. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered about the stars and planets? Let's go explore them together. Our adventure starts right here in our own solar system. But did you know the Sun is just one of over 100 billion stars in our galaxy? And around it, planets like Earth dance in a path called an orbit. Let's zoom in and see. Next, let's discover the secret life of stars. What happens when a star is born? Stars are not just points of light. They are like living things. They are born, they live, and they even die. A star begins in a cloud of dust and gas, grows bright like our sun, and some can explode in a brilliant burst called a supernova. But did you know that when a star explodes, it creates almost all the elements that make up everything in the universe, including us? Now, let's dive deeper into space and uncover a mystery. What's a black hole? Far beyond our stars are incredible mysteries. Black holes are one of them. They are like cosmic vacuums, sucking in everything, even light. But did you know black holes can be as big as 1,000,000 suns together or as small as a city? From black holes to searching for new worlds, let's find out if we are alone in the universe. Astronomers are space detectives. They use giant telescopes to find planets around other stars. These are called exoplanets. Some of these might even have conditions suitable for life. But did you know there are planets made entirely of ice or even diamonds? Space is a grand, mysterious place, full of wonders big and small. Every star, every planet tells a part of the story of our universe. What part fascinates you the most? Let's talk about it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more adventures. Keep looking up and keep wondering.